is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about Chapter 6 of Factories Act 1948. This chapter focuses on working hours of an adult worker, and the sections includes from 51 to 66, and they are 51 weekly hours, 52 weekly holidays, 53 compensatory holidays, 54 daily hours, 55 intervals for rest, 56 spread over, 57 night shift, 58 provision of overlapping shifts, 59 extra wages for overtime, 60 restriction on double employment, 61 notice of the period of work for adults, 62 register of the adult workers, 63 hours of work and correspond with notice under section 61 and registered under section 62. 64 powers to make exempting rules, 65 power to exempting orders, and 66 further restriction on employment of women. Let me brief these sections one by one. 51 weekly hours. Ordinarily, the worker should not allow to work in a factory for more than 48 hours in any week. Section 52 weekly holidays. The workman should have one holiday for whole day in a week where he was asked to work in his scheduled weekly holiday. He should be given compulsory holiday within 3 days of his scheduled weekly holiday. Section 53 compensatory holidays. After obtaining approval from the inspector of factories, the workman shall be allowed to avail compensatory holidays unavailed by him within that month during which the compensatory holidays are due or within 2 months immediately following that month. Section 54 daily hours. Subject to the provision of section 51, no worker should be allowed to work more than 9 hours in a day. 55 intervals for rest. The timing of worker should be fixed in such a way that no worker should be required to work continuously for more than 5 hours, and he should be allowed to avail an interval for the rest of at least half an hour during his workday. Section 56 spread over. The period of work of a workman should be arranged that inclusive of his interval for rest under section 55 should not spread over more than 10.5 hours in any day. Section 57 night shift. Where the worker in a factory works on a shift which extends beyond the midnight, for the purpose of sections 53 and 52 and 53, a holiday for whole day shall mean in his case a period of 24 consecutive hours being when his shift ends. Section 58 prohibition of overlapping shifts. It states that work shall not be carried on in any factory by means of a system of shifts so arranged that more than one relay of workers is engaged in the work of same kind at same time. Section 59 extra wages for overtime. It states that worker works in a factory for more than 9 hours in a day or for more than 48 hours in a week, he shall, in respect of overwork, be entitled to wages at the rate of twice his ordinary rate of wages. Section 60 restricted on double employment. No adult worker shall be required or allowed to work in any factory or any day on which he has already been working in any other factory. Section 61 notice of period of work for adults. It says that there shall be displayed and correctly maintained in every factory in accordance with the provisions of subsections 2 of section 108 a notice of period of worker for adults showing clearly for every day periods during adult workers may be required to work. Section 62 register of adult workers. The manager of every factory shall maintain a register of adult workers to be available to the inspector at all times during work hours or when any work being carried out in the factory showing the name of each adult worker in the factory. Section 63 hours of work correspondent with notice under section 61 and register section 62. No adult worker shall be required to allow work in any factory otherwise than in accordance with the notice of period workers for adult displayed in the factory. Power to make exempting rule. The state government may make rules defining the factories who hold position of the supervisor or management are employed in any confidential position in the factory. 65. Power to make exempting orders. Any exempting granted under subsection 2 shall be subjected to the following conditions, namely, the total number of hours of the work in any day shall not exceed 12. The spread over inclusive intervals for rest shall not be exceeded 13 hours. The number of hours of work in any week included overtime shall not exceed 60. No worker shall be allowed to work overtime for more than 7 days at a stretch, and the total number of hours overtime work in quarter shall not exceed 75. Section 66. Further restrictions on employment of women. Women is not allowed to work during night hours from between 10 pm and 5 am. Factories Act 1948 shall allow women to work in between hours 6 am and 7 pm only.